Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, which of the following pair of hormones are not antagonistic, having opposite effects to each other? Option 1 is parathormone and calcitonin. Option 2 is insulin and glucagon. Option 3 is aldosterone and atrial natriuretic factor. Option 4 is relaxin and inhibin. So यहाँ हमें पूछा है कि दिए गए pairs of hormone में से कौन antagonistic नहीं है. So what is our key concept here? Our key concept here is antagonistic effect of hormones. Antagonistic effect of hormones. So what is antagonistic effect? Antagonistic effect का मतलब होता है opposite effect. So hormones में जो pairs opposite effect दिखाएंगे उन्हें हम antagonistic hormones कहेंगे. So let us see one by one. The first is parathyroid hormone or parathormone and calcitonin. Parathormone and calcitonin. So let us see what are their effects. Parathormone is secreted by parathyroid gland and calcitonin is secreted by thyroid gland. So the effect of parathormone is to increase calcium ion level in blood. So it increases calcium ion, and calcitonin causes decrease in calcium ion. So it reduces the calcium ion level in the blood. So this is decrease. Parathormone कैसे ये करता है? Parathormone करता है through demineralization of bones and reabsorption of calcium from the kidney. So this is how it increases the calcium level. Calcitonin कैसे करता है? By mineralization of bone. यानी कि it causes the uptake of the calcium ion by the bone cells. Next pair क्या है? Next pair है insulin और glucagon. So insulin and glucagon, they both are being secreted by pancreas. इनके इफेक्ट देखते हैं. Insulin causes reduction of glucose in the blood, whereas glucagon causes increase in glucose level in the blood. Insulin क्या करता है? It increases the uptake of glucose by the cell, whereas glucagon causes the release of glucose or release of glycogen and causing the breakdown of glycogen to form glucose, whereas insulin causes formation of glycogen. So they have opposite effect and hence they are antagonistic hormones. The next pair is aldosterone and atrial natriuretic hormone. So let us see that. Aldosterone and atrial natriuretic hormone, which is also known as ANF, either hormone or factor. So aldosterone is secreted by adrenal cortex, whereas atrial natriuretic hormone is secreted by atrial walls of the heart. दोनों का इफेक्ट क्या है देखते हैं. Aldosterone causes reabsorption of minerals and water. इससे क्या होता है? इससे blood pressure increase हो जाता है. Whereas atrial natriuretic factor causes dilation of blood vessels. और इससे क्या होता है? इससे blood pressure reduce हो जाता है. So they have opposite effect and hence they are antagonistic. The next pair is relaxin and inhibin. So let us see that. Relaxin, inhibin. Relaxin is a hormone secreted by corpus luteum and placenta during pregnancy. Inhibin is released from the Sertoli cells in male or granulosa cell in female. So granulosa cells are present in the ovary. दोनों के इफेक्ट देखते हैं. Relaxin causes the widening of the pelvis region during parturition, whereas inhibin inhibits the release of FSH from the pituitary. So their function is not relevant. They are not showing any opposite effect and hence they are not the antagonistic hormone. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is option 4, that is relaxin and inhibin, because they are not antagonistic. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.